we're talking about health, nutrition, and how many people he's helped. Andrew Young, the mayor, former mayor.
And also, he was the ambassador to the United Nations under Jimmy Carter.
Right, and you helped him with his knees where he didn't lose.
He canceled his double knee replacement surgery.
Creflo Dollar, his daughter is now
asthma-free.
She's free from asthma.
For 10 years, yeah.
Because of you.
Yes, sir.
And other people you've helped.
Actually, it's God's
Of course, it's the Lord, but he used you. You're his instrument. And through how? What did you do to these people? How did you help Andrew Young, and how did you help Creflo's daughter and all the people you're helping?
Well, both arthritis, Pastor Benny, and asthma are both nutritional deficiency diseases. Doctors will tell you that arthritis is genetic, it's in your family, and if they can't find anybody in your family who has it, doesn't your dog have arthritis? They're always looking for some way to, associate with your family. But arthritis, 95% is due to just simple mineral deficiencies. That's osteopenia, osteoporosis, osteoarthritis, degenerative arthritis, bone-to-bone arthritis, all mineral deficiencies. Rheumatoid arthritis is a simple infection with a bug called mycoplasma. I can cure that disease, rheumatoid arthritis, in 2 weeks with an antibiotic called minocycline. I'll kill that bug, then it'll take several months, maybe 2 months, to rebuild all the damage.
How come other doctors don't say what you're saying?
Because they'll only make $300 if they cure you. If they treat you, they make $750,000 over 25 years. Why would they want to make $300 when they can make $750,000? Because there's no law requiring them to cure you when there's a cure available.
So they give you medication?
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, that's the truth. Now, as you say, individually they may be wonderful people, but the system captures them. If they don't do what the system says to do, they kick them out and say, if I've gone to school all these years, why would I go against the system? And so that's part of the problem. That's what Andrew Young did. He canceled a double knee replacement surgery. He canceled it. I mean,
but he gave you a chance to...
Yeah, he gave me 90 days. He said, I'll do your thing for 90 days.
And what did you do? How did you help him? Well,
I gave him the basic 90 essential nutrients, which we all need. You can't guarantee you're going to get it from your food, no matter how people say, I eat well, but that's not enough.
So you gave him 90
essential nutrients, 16 minerals, 16 vitamins, 12 essential amino acids, 3 essential fatty acids, and then I gave him what we call the secret sauce that's designed to support and promote repair of cartilage, ligaments, tendons, connective tissue, all the stuff that makes up the joints of your knees and your hip and your shoulder and the disc between your vertebrae. And even in July, I thought this was fascinating, even in July of 2002, Harvard Medical School came out, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, and said joint replacement is useless, is worthless.
Wow. Really? They actually said that?
Oh, yes, sir. And 4 years later, in the Journal of the American Medical Association, they came out and said, don't waste your time doing back surgery for low back pain and sciatica. That was Harvard again, the Journal of the American Medical Association.
Why do they keep changing their minds?
Well, because they did what's called a meta-study. They looked at 300,000 people from all over the earth that had had joint replacements and back surgeries. And in every case, over a long time, it never worked. A hip replacement cost $78,000. One hip replacement cost $78,000. Again, if you use our program for supporting and promoting maintenance repair of cartilage and hips, you're looking at maybe for a 200-pound person, you're looking at $5 to $10 per day. You're looking at $300 a month. Maybe 3 months, you're at $900 compared to $78,000. You don't have to refinance your house.
So you can help people,
yes, sir,
who are losing, who need hip surgery or knee surgery, yes, for like less than $1,000.
Yes, sir.
With your program.
Yes, sir.
Yet if they go the conventional way,
it's $78,000. And it only fixes that one joint temporarily. Whereas when you use a nutritional approach, it fixes all 72 joints.
But Doc, does the nutritional side work? I mean, a lot of people are asking about you.
100% of the time.